You know what, Jackson? I say we don't wait till Armageddon. I say we fight right here and right now. I was already wearing short sleeves in preparation.
That's the most ridiculous outfit I've ever seen.
Looks sexy.
But for once, I agree with you.
Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Is there a problem here, sir?
Oh, the problem solver. Oh, boy. I got an enforcer of my own. Brock Morgan. Yeah.
Is it time to fight, Mr. Vogel?
I believe it is.
Awesome.
I, Frederick Hayden Williamson III, would like to throw some fisticuffs.
Gosh.
Did you just say fisticuffs? Yes, I have a higher education. 1942? You know what? I'm gonna kick your ass for that alone.
All right, guys. No fighting on the Emmy stage without Tyler Monroe involved!
Take off your jacket, pretty boy.
You won't even touch it, buddy. Try to touch it, see what happens.
You're about to get fist face!
Let's go get some, boys!
Yeah!
Here we go.
Let's do this!